Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be making rice and peas with stewed pork. My pork right here is the one with the bones. I didn't know that was the one I picked up, but whatever. That's what I'm about to use. So now let's get into seasoning this meat. I'm hungry. It's going to be my regular seasoning that I use. All purpose. Pepper, I'm burning my nose. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have some fried chicken on the side, like just 2 pieces. Cause when I tell you I am starving. Oh, and my meat seasoning. Don't judge my bottle. You gotta use what you have. This is meat seasoning from Jamaica, so I have to pour it in a bottle. Oh, I wanted to. Oh, garlic powder. And then some browning. I could have missing something. Nope, that's it. So I'll look for I season it up. I mean, before I rub it up. Okay, now I'm about to put some. We got some pepper, scallion, onions, thyme, and carrots. Let this marinate for like 10 minutes before I cook it. I'm cooking, it's like 8 o'clock now. I'm cooking this late because I came in from work an hour ago. No, not an hour ago. Actually 2 hours ago. And actually I was trying to contemplate if I was supposed to cook or not. But I ain't feel like going outside buying food, so I'm like, you know what? And I did take this out from this morning. It's like, I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna cook it. You know what I'm saying? We're not go buy food outside. We got food inside. We're not doing that. We're not doing that. So I'm like, you know what? Let me get up. Let me go cook. It's not that late. Well, it is kind of because us Jamaicans we finish cooking mad early. But then again, I said I was at work. Oh, let me show y'all. I was looking. All right, let it marinate. Now I'm gonna season my chicken. I'm gonna season my chicken, guys. See, just 2 pieces, not much. I like having some on the side. So, chicken seasoning. garlic, pimento, and ginger. Oh, I almost picked up the damn brownie. Oh, I would have been mad. You put brownie on fried chicken, guys. Girl. And I'm gonna use this parsley. I mean basil. Basil leaf. And the rest of the Sazon. Listen, it's about time to play around today, okay? I am hungry. What's that anything? Oh, black pepper. Alright, rub it up. I'm using my left hand because I don't know. Alright, while this will marinate, it's now 8:10. So I'm gonna let it marinate. Get my meats marinate. I'm about to wash my rice. Putting my rice in. And I'm putting my rice. I'm gonna use parboiled rice because I don't have much white rice here. Yeah, it's dark outside. But I'm about to do my yeah, baby. I'm about to cook this right now. Wait until the water boils out more, but man, listen, it's taking too long. There's some water in there. Right, so I'm about to pour my oil in the pot. Coconut oil. Test this oil real quick. Y'all looking? Doing with stewed pork, you're just doing it now just like you do stewed chicken. You know? You just clean it, season it, and stew it down. So you do, guys. Not that hard. Now time to make my stew. I'm gonna get the water in here, so I can pour it in here when it's ready. for later. Now what I'm about to do, I need more carrot. I always got one carrot. This I was looking after 6 minutes. Mix it up. Smells so yummy. Right, back to my salad. So I don't think I need 4. I don't know. I'm not sure how many carrots I need for this. Not much cabbage. Just making a salad. A little salad. I'm gonna try this or not. I hate all this. Put my rice down. Wash them off. Wash them off. Right? So counter is too small. Alright. So got my grater and then I'm about to just go down this direction. Is this the right direction I'm doing? I think it is. If I'm not mistaken. Small, that's what I'm like, oh child. It smells so good. Try not to touch yourself. It's almost like you are. Honey with you. Looks like you're gonna cut yourself off. Is something else? I mean, I'll be ready, right? Some way, somehow, you gotta get cooked. Yeah, yeah. And I be sure that alright. I'm gonna use all this cabbage. I'm not gonna waste it. What's that? Exercise. See my rice is all the way dried out. Gotta check on it in a few minutes. Okay, I think those are trash now. I don't want no big goofy pieces in my thing. I use all of it. Matter of fact, I'm not gonna use all of it. I'm not. Now you get the carrot and you do the same thing. I need some vinegar and black pepper. There you go. Right. Let me check on my rice. See how it's looking. Ooh. Taking all the time in my pepper. Oh, I know this is really going to be hot. I cut the pepper. Yes, I did. I cut it. Yes. I wanted my soup to be spicy, so I cut the pepper. I only have one pepper. So, I just ready to cook up more. And I really don't want to. Alright, time to pour the water in here. Add the water now. Cover it back up and then let it cook. It's now, what is the time? 8:44. Tender. Add some breadcrumbs to it though. I did add the rest of the water in there. So pouring water every minute. So now it's time for my chicken. It's hot. I smell the oil. Alright, now I got egg, one egg. Dip it in egg. Dip it in egg. And oh, come on, battery, don't do this to me. Alright, I'll dip it in egg. Dip it in the flour. Battery low. So after I put it in, I'm just going to turn it off. The same one to this. It's on low now, so. Shake it out. Come on, real crispy and juicy. I'm almost done. I'm almost done. Looking crispy, right? Looking real crispy. Looking real crispy. Finished. Finally finished. Time to eat. It's time to enjoy my dinner. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
And I wanna rule my day.